Hey everybody, Blake here, founder of Earmark. Today is a big day for Earmark. Now when you log into the app, you'll see the option to subscribe. Your annual $99.99 subscription unlocks unlimited free CPE courses, so you can earn as much CPE for listening to podcasts as you want. It also helps to support our work at Earmark to improve the app and bring you the latest and greatest in continuing professional education, all in the palm of your hand. Don't worry, free CPE isn't going anywhere. We're just putting a speed limit in place. Now, if you choose to stay on the free plan, you'll be limited to one free CPE course per week. We also added support for premium and sponsored courses. Premium courses will feature exclusive premium content available only on Earmark CPE. Authors can choose to make premium courses available for a separate price. When those are available, you'll be able to see the price and decide to purchase it from within the Earmark app. Sponsored courses will be available for free from vendors in exchange for your email and your name. These courses will not be subject to the limits of the free plan. You can take as many of them as you like. Very similar to free CPE webinar platforms. I hope you're enjoying the Earmark CPE app and will consider subscribing to support our company and the future of CPE. I also wanted to highlight some of the amazing new courses that are available on Earmark this week. We've got a new course from your part-time controller featuring an interview with Mary Beth Bruggerman, president of the Mission Continues and Marine veteran. You'll learn how Mary Beth uses her experience as a Marine veteran at Mission Continues to work to maximize women veterans' success as leaders through a program that combines skills development for women veterans with mentorship and skills transfer to women in under-resourced communities. We've also got a course based on the first episode of Laurelyn Wilson's new podcast, The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly Accounting Podcast. It's called The Worst Thing I Ever Did, Learning from the Mistakes of Others, and it features an interview with Dan Luthi, sharing the 3 biggest mistakes he's made in his firm, what he's learned from them, and how to avoid them in the future. It's a great episode. Don't miss it, and you can get free CPE. We've also got another episode of Awkward Conversations, a podcast by TeamPay, featuring an interview with John Danowski. Giraffe put their certification on Earmark. Now you can earn 4 CPE credits for learning about how to use Giraffe's all-in-one financial planning and analysis software. On the Unique CPA channel, you'll learn how to avoid burnout and change your life for the better. Of course, we've got another episode of the Cloud Accounting Podcast, David and Blake Go to the Movies. We've got another episode of Earmark, The Path Toward Advisory in Tax. This is my solo podcast, talking about how we can, as tax professionals, become advisors to our clients. Some great takeaways in there. We've also got episodes from AFO Wealth Management Forward, featuring an interview with Ron Saharian, co-founder of Profit First, and another episode of Dear Accountant, How to Build an Impactful Business Empire. And of course, you don't want to miss the latest episode of Oh My Fraud. This one's called The Golden Girls Rush. And the fraud in this episode is featuring Four Seasons Nursing Centers of America, which boomed and busted in spectacular fashion when nursing homes were the hot startup of the day. So check out those courses. That's just a sample of the almost 200 hours of free CPE courses that you can get in the palm of your hand on the Earmark app. Thank you to all of our authors, all of our podcast hosts, and YouTubers who have contributed their content to Earmark to create the future of CPE. I appreciate you, and thank you to all of our members. Please consider subscribing to support our work and make the future of CPE mobile.